Manually checking Microsoft Commerce Incentive eligibilities can be time-consuming, repetitive, and prone to error, delaying how quickly your customers can access Microsoft-funded support. So, what exactly are Microsoft Commerce Incentives? MCI programs enable customers to receive funding from Microsoft when they adopt eligible cloud solutions like Azure, Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, security, data, and AI services. These incentives help reduce their total cost of ownership and accelerate their digital transformation. At the same time, these incentives empower Microsoft partners to drive more impactful engagements, supported by real-time funding opportunities that align with customer needs. But verifying eligibility across active domains can often feel like navigating a maze. Complex rules, manual checks, and scattered data make it inefficient. Introducing MCI Copilot Agent, your intelligent, AI-powered assistant fully integrated into Microsoft Teams. Built to simplify and speed up Microsoft Commerce Incentive eligibility discovery, it empowers Microsoft partners and their clients with clear, actionable insights within seconds. In this demo video, let's get to know how MCI Copilot Agent works. David begins by entering a query about a specific domain, Jackson.com, and requests eligibility information for both Azure and modern work scopes. MCI Copilot quickly interprets the request, pre-populates an adaptive card with the relevant information, and prompts for confirmation. Once he submits, Copilot retrieves the required data and delivers a structured Excel file directly in the Teams chat, ready for review or distribution. Once the file is delivered, Copilot offers an option to send it directly through email. With a few simple inputs, the file is professionally packaged and sent to the intended recipients, streamlining the communication process without leaving the Teams environment. Copilot also offers the option to fetch the most recent data directly from the Microsoft Partner Portal. Since the eligibilities may be updated in Partner Portal, accessing the latest updates ensures the most accurate results. Once confirmed, Copilot triggers an automated workflow in the background. It securely connects to the Partner Portal, retrieves the latest data, and returns the updated Excel file, all within the chat thread. David then decides to go a step further by checking eligibility for multiple domains. Copilot automatically generates a downloadable template for bulk processing. After populating the file with domain names and uploading it, David selects the necessary scopes and submits the request. If a domain isn't found in the database, synced daily from the company's Salesforce tables, Copilot automatically retrieves the latest data from the Microsoft Partner Portal, keeping David informed at every step. A consolidated Excel sheet containing MCI eligibility details for all submitted domains is then generated and shared within Teams, ready for further actions like sharing, emailing, or updating with live data. For those preferring a more structured approach, the MCI Copilot Teams app offers a user-friendly interface. Upon launch, users are presented with a comprehensive list of customers from the application database. They can search for specific domains using an input field or upload an Excel file for bulk lookup. The results appear in an interactive grid for quick access and review. To explore more details about a specific customer, users simply click on the domain name within the grid. This opens a dedicated page displaying the customer's MCI eligibility information in a clear and organized format. This tab presents additional business insights, like the cost per eligibility and associated market coverage, helping partner managers plan and prioritize more effectively. To ensure the most up-to-date information, users can refresh eligibility data from the Partner Center with a single click. When it's time to share insights, users have the flexibility to send email reports or export eligibility details into Excel files for offline analysis. Within the Offerings module, users looking to identify customers that meet specific MCI eligibility criteria can do so by selecting checkboxes based on their needs. Once filters are applied, the app displays a list of matching customers, enabling informed decisions. What once took hours or even days can now be completed in just a few simple steps. MCI Copilot Agent brings together the power of Microsoft Teams, AI, and RPA to deliver fast, intelligent, and secure access to MCI eligibility information. Whether supporting client success, improving sales efficiency, or enabling partner growth, MCI Copilot Agent is the smart assistant that simplifies and streamlines your workflow. Feel free to reach us at sales@avasoft.com for any question or demos. We would love to connect with you.